Being an SUV, the Touareg is able to tow particularly heavy loads. At the push of a button, the tow bar moves into position fully automatically. It makes the Touareg a towing vehicle with a towing capacity of up to 3.5 tons. Maneuvering with a trailer can take some learning, but doesn't have to, thanks to Trailer Assist, Volkswagen's towing assistance system. Activate, set direction, and off you go. Trailer Assist takes care of steering, the driver of throttle, brake and gears. The rear view camera determines the tow bar's angle. Trailer Assist thus knows where it has to steer. Naturally, the driver can correct the direction at any time. More comfort in the all-new Touareg.